Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So the Aussie dollar definitely did turn down, and the way it turned down, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, makes me think that this could end up being 5 waves down. And if it really is a 3, 3, 5 pattern, which is like an expanding flat, the most likely target for me would be the 161, 178. If it goes to this level and then breaks back up, then it's probably going to end up continuing the uptrend. But looking at the US dollar index as my main analysis, I still see the possibility of this making a much bigger pullback, maybe even going all the way back down to these lows, because I do see the possibility of the dollar going up for maybe several weeks, which would cause this to go down for at least several weeks also. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, if that analysis on the daily is true, then anything we see to the upside, we need to kind of assume is likely just a pullback within a downtrend. Current structure on the 1 hour is right here. So this is where we put our Fibonacci retracement. So we're using our Fibonacci retracement to look for areas of resistance. If we see a nice reaction at, the 61 and a 78% Fibonacci retracement, nice engulfing to the downside, then I am definitely going to continue to look for sorts. If it really is in a downtrend on the higher time frames, then it really shouldn't break this high. If it does break this high, then that may invalidate a higher time frame analysis. It potentially could go up, break this high, reject this high, and then continue the downtrend. But if it breaks and holds above this high, then most likely it's potentially heading back up on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.